What's up, guys? If you want to understand how people are making insane money every day by launching meme coins, this video is for you. Today, I'm sharing my perfect launch method using trusted platforms like Raydium, Pump.Fun, and Axion, and I'll show you real-time proof, not just talk. Watch the video till the end and follow every step exactly. Skipping even one part can cost you money. Let's get into it. So here's the winner from the last video who earned one Solana coin for their first dev meme coin. Before we start, make sure you watch till the end. I'll be dropping one SOL anywhere in the video. Alright, I've been launching meme coins for a while now, and honestly the profits have been pretty wild. But it got me thinking, can I simplify this even further? Can I take a small amount, launch just one coin, and turn it into something significant like 200 SOL? That's the exact challenge I'm setting for myself today. We're going from practically zero to hero with a single meme coin launch. This video, I'm gonna go step by step on how I'm gonna achieve this. So we'll go over choosing where to launch, getting an idea that people want to buy, creating the meme coin, setting up a liquidity pool, getting people to actually buy the coin, and hopefully in the end we achieve the 200 SOL profits. So let's do it. The first step is choosing where to launch our coin. This is a big one. You see all these platforms like Pump.Fun, LaunchLab, Boot, Bonk, all of this. But here's the thing. You don't actually own your liquidity on this. They control everything, which means you can't maximize your profits. Plus, it's a free-for-all. Hundreds of coins launch every minute. Your coin will just get lost in the noise. That's why I stick with Raydium. It's a bit more technical, sure, but with the right tools, it's very easy. The main thing is you control your own liquidity, which means way more profit potential. And there's way less competition because most people are too lazy to figure out Raydium. Trust me, I've tried these other platforms and the results were just terrible. No visibility and no control. Raydium lets me manage everything exactly how I want to. Now, for this 200 SOL challenge, the concept is everything. Get it right and people will throw money at your coin. Get it wrong and you just wasted your time. Most people just pick random garbage and then act surprised when it flops. Even in crypto, where people will buy almost anything, you still need something funny or trending. So for this challenge, I'm going with my favorite beginner-friendly strategy, the copy method. I find coins that are doing well but haven't exploded yet. Think 50, 100, 200,000 market cap. Then I just recreate my own version of it. I'll head over to a platform like BullX or Axiom, Photon, GemGen, whatever you like. I'll find something with a decent market cap, let's say this one for example, copy the address, go to explorer.solana.com, paste it, select this, and boom, all the coin details, logo, everything, and now you've got a proven concept to work with. This is smart because you're not gambling on untested ideas. You're using something that's already proven people will buy. This is my go-to for most launches because it's just so reliable. The key thing is finding coins with good engagement but not too much hype yet. If it's already at 5 million market cap, probably too late, but 200,000 with active trading, perfect. But even this can be a bit annoying with all the manual work. So for this challenge, I'm taking the ultimate shortcut, one-click copy. This is essentially the same method, but instead of all the manual copying, it's just one click to clone the coin. I use Solana tokenlabs.io for this on the trending tokens page. You just browse through this list and find one you like and hit create token. It's super simple. This is what I use most of the time now because it's just so fast. I can have a new coin ready in literally 2 minutes instead of 10. The cool thing is you can just hit refresh and get new trending coins. So you're always working with fresh performing concepts. So let me show you how I create a meme coin. I'm doing manual token creation for a better understanding of this 200 SOL challenge. Let's see. I'm going to be using the Solana tokenlabs.io. Connect your wallet. You'll get a pop-up asking for authorization. Just click confirm and you're in. Next, we move to filling in the token details. I'm naming this first Meme Man and shortening it to Medj to keep it catchy. Download the logo of the meme you're going to use for your meme coin. I've already downloaded mine and resized it in Canva. The required size is 500 by 500. Hit next and keep going. When you reach the token settings page, don't touch anything. It's already perfectly configured. You want that full 1 billion token supply. We'll need it later. For the description, you can write whatever you want. Just click continue and move forward. Now you'll see the option to add social media links. You can skip this part. I always do. It's never been a problem with Raydium launches. Just turn off that toggle and skip it. The next thing asks if you want to add creator info and a project website, but it costs 0.1 Solana. Honestly, it's not worth it. Just toggle it off and keep your soul, skip it and move on. Now comes one of the coolest features, custom token addresses. Solana tokenlabs.io lets you add endings like pump or moon to your token's address. It makes it look like it launched through Pump.Fun, which helps build trust, attract buyers, and boost early hype. However, if you put moon or pump as a suffix having 4 letters, it will take around 20 minutes to update on the site. So if you want to avoid a long wait while creating your coin, just add PM or MO, like 2 letters in small caps. After that, you'll see 3 toggle switches. This part is super important. Make sure every single one stays turned on. If you turn off revoke freeze, it means you can freeze trading anytime, which is a big red flag. If you turn off revoke mint, it means you can mint unlimited tokens, another huge red flag. If you turn off revoke update, it means you can change the contract whenever you want, massive red flag. Serious investors notice these things right away. If they see anything disabled, they'll run. So leave all the toggles on and click create token. Your wallet will pop up asking for final approval. Confirm it with 1 click and boom, your token is officially live on Solana. Just confused people. Now, next up, setting up our liquidity pool. Click create liquidity, which you see at the top of the website, and you'll be redirected to Raydium. Make sure your wallet is connected, then click create. Select standard AMM from the pool options. Click the token selector, go back to Solana tokenlabs.io and copy your token address. Paste that address into Raydium's search box. Add your token details. For this demo, I'm using Meji as the symbol and first meme man as the name. Click add user token, then select it again. We'll supply 900 million tokens out of 1 billion total and pair it with Solana. Since you're the first liquidity provider, you can max out safely. Just subtract the 0.3 SOL fee first. Set the fee tier to 0.25%, review everything and click initialize liquidity pool. Once confirmed, your pool is live and the coin is tradable. But we're not done yet. Nobody knows about our coin, so let's fix that. Now, to get people to actually buy, I've got a few tricks up my sleeve. Next screen ads are an option. Your coin shows up at the top of the trending list, which is amazing because millions of people use this site. Plus, it gives you instant credibility. It definitely works, but it costs $300. And that adds up if you're doing multiple launches. When I started, I couldn't afford that for every launch. Manual social media promotion, Twitter, Reddit, Telegram, Discord, it's free, but it takes forever, and it honestly doesn't work that way. I tried it for my first few launches, and it was just exhausting and the results were just okay. So for this challenge, we're going with automated social media promotion. I use promotememes.fun for this. Forget about wasting hours manually posting. Promotememes.fun gets you instant exposure on Dex Screener, GMGN, and Bird Eye automatically. Let's do it live. Connect your Phantom wallet, paste your token address, and choose your promotion. I'm going with the advanced 0.5 SOL option for maximum reach. Now, toggle include free website. This is huge. Upload your logo, set your token name. I'll call this first meme man. Select Raydium and hit confirm. Click pay and promote. Approve the transaction and you are done. Now just watch. It's creating a professional website and promoting your token to thousands of traders at the exact same time. And boom, website ready. Let's check it out. In seconds, you have a live landing page with tokenomics and real-time chart links ready for investors. All right, time to wait and see what happens with our 200 Sol challenge. I'll see you in a bit. OMG, we hit a multi-$100,000 market cap. This is what happens when you combine a proven concept with a good promotion tool. People buy because the idea already worked, and the promotion puts it in front of tons of potential buyers. What's crazy is how fast it happened. Within the first hour, serious volume. By hour 2, market cap basically doubled. and then in the final hour, it just exploded. I've seen this pattern with pretty much every successful launch I've done. First hour is slow, people are cautious. Second hour, some people jump in. Third hour, FOMO kicks in and everyone wants to buy. Now, the moment you've been all waiting for. How do we profit from this launch? And did we hit the 218 SOL goal? Let's see. Just go back to Raydium, ensure your wallet is properly connected, and press the portfolio button you'll find at the top. And there is your current position. Profit time. First click the minus symbol, then push that slider to 100%. And as you guys can see, we are now up $22,000 in official profits. Ignore everything except the souls value. And as you guys can see, I'm going to receive like 218 souls around there. Choose remove liquidity and approve. There it is. Confirmation received and money in hand. That's exactly how you dev meme coins and make more money than anyone in 2026. Now, if I open my Phantom wallet for proof, you guys can see that we just received $22,000, which is like 218 souls. You guys can see here, even though the market is down, we still made money, bro. Before you go and start building, I want to give one of you a head start. I'm giving away 1 soul to 1 person to help cover your first deployment costs. Here is how to enter. Hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. Like this video. Drop a comment below with the word rug pull. I'll be picking the winner in exactly 48 hours and announcing it on my Telegram, Twitter, Discord. So make sure you're following me there. Stop gambling, start launching, and I'll see you in the next one.